Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to live stream a video on your Facebook account. And now let's dive right in. Now to live stream on your device from Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone, and after that over here guys, on the account or the home page of Facebook, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your small profile picture icon in the circle just below the home icon. Guys, let's tap on that, on the circle with your profile picture, this one. And over here guys, scroll down. In order to go live you will be required to tap on what's on your mind, which will enable or take you to this page where you can create a post. And after you tap over here, you can see a bunch of options at the bottom of the screen. Let's scroll that up, and over here you can see the live video option available for us just below the check-in, the fifth option from the top. Let's tap on that live video and let's allow this. And over here guys, you can see we are live and I'm shooting my laptop over here. And guys, you can do a lot of things from over here. At the top right corner of the screen you can see options from flash off to some text over here. You can mute the video, you can enhance the audio, you can add some effects, stickers, rotate the video, and mute the mic. You can turn off the flash off or on depending upon your video. And with that being said guys, if you type on the go live button at the bottom of the screen, you can see, and 3 2 1, and you're live guys. And this is how we go live on Facebook. And let's finish this. At the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the finish button available for us. Tap on that, finish, and it's ending the live broadcast. And there guys, this is how you live stream on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. And after that guys, you can see there is the post for 30 days option available for us, and you can see all of these. Now let's tap on the post for 30 days and this live will be available on your home or your home screen on your profile. There guys, this is how we live screen on Facebook.